Hey, the Sony XM6 headphones. Let's get started. Okay, so it comes with this compact case that feels solid, great for traveling. Alright, so they are lightweight, mostly plastic, but they don't feel cheap. There is a soft matte finish that I like. The headband in synthetic leather is padded. That's good. The air cups can rotate. The cushions are soft. Not sure how durable they'll be, but they feel comfortable. Okay, so we have USB-C for charging, and there is a 3.5mm jack for wired listening. Battery life is up to 30 hours, and a 3-minute charge gives around 3 hours of playback. So how is the sound quality? I read that those keep every frequency crisp and true to the artist's intent. So let's play some music to check that out. Okay, I'm talking with the headphones microphone so you can get a preview of the sound it delivers. Now let's talk about the noise cancelling and the ambient transparency mode. With noise cancelling on, background noise disappears. It's just super quiet. Just you and the sound in your headphones. That's the best noise cancelling I've ever experienced so far. Better than the Bose, better than anything I've tried. The ambient transparency mode is very good. You can hear your surrounding and still listen to music as intended. There is a button on the left ear cup to switch between those two modes. Now the gestures. Swipe up to increase the volume, swipe down to decrease it. Swipe forward to skip to the next song, swipe backward for the previous song. Double tap to pause or play music. And last but not least, need to talk to someone, just cover the right ear. It lowers the volume instantly.